The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and right now we're doing Bittorrent. Why not? That said, it's down like 13% right now. It's back inside the falling wedge. We're gonna see that. We're gonna see what's actually happening, and this is actually quite good for the Bittorrent. You might not think that, but I think it's actually quite good, because yesterday I was like, it's going up, like everybody was super bullish on it, you know, and I was like, yeah, okay, maybe it has a leg up, but now like it's resetting some indicators and it looks very nice. That said, let's get into the charts, and before we start, down below in the comments there is a link to the Patreon. 50 altcoins every single day, we rank them up. Also the Telegram group, nice bunch of people panicking a lot, so you know, you're probably gonna fit there, maybe. I don't know, everybody's panicking. So let's see what's actually happening with the Bittorrent. So yesterday this pump was insane. It pumped up from the 20 moving average above the 10 moving average, outside of this wedge, and all the way up to like 0.01099999. It was insane pump, right? And it closed down here, and today it's falling back inside the wedge. So what I want to see today, it's actually good, because the wick went all down to 0.069. Remember 0.69, the lower resistance. Also it went down to this bottom support on the wedge. So all in all, the wick went exactly where it should have gone, and now it's climbing back up, hopefully above this 10 moving average, sorry, the 20 moving, the red line that's sitting right over here at 78, 79, 80, 0.0080. So maybe it can climb right above this line. We want to see that. So the day is not over. I also seen that Cardano is sitting exactly at some kind of levels that just waiting to do something. Bitcoin as well. I think everything is just sitting and waiting for something. I'm not, but this actually looks good, and I'm not gonna explain you why. Number one, first of all, yesterday we went on the daily chart on this rubber band index up to 60 from 55, which is not bad or anything, but and levels are super nice, so there is no problem. But we still got this bearish cross, and we started to get this convergence, which is resetting again. It's on the weekly chart. This actually looks very good to me, because yesterday, last week we closed the week down at, because this pump over here put us all the way up at 94, so this RSI index had to be resetted, and this red candle up here reset it only down to 79. So I was hoping this this week's red candle would reset to something like 75, maybe even close down to 70, maybe 60. I was hoping for 60 levels, you know. But then there was that big green candle yesterday, and I kind of lost all hope, to be honest with you. I lost all hope. It like went up at 8, but I thought like maybe that's the thing, because 80 is not bad. The 60, 70 is better, but 80 is not bad, you know. But you want this RSI index as low as possible, because that gives you most opportunity to grow and pump up, right? So I was actually hoping for a red candle, not because I want you to lose money or anything like that. I didn't hope like 20%, but I hope like push the first, when we were already going down, why not push all the way down and then go up, you know, instead of only doing the halfway there, you know. So to me this looks very nice. I am excited to see what's gonna happen on the daily tonight, because daily tonight is very, very important for all kinds of altcoins and Bitcoin and everything. Daily today is not only daily close, it's also weekly close, and we are looking at these weekly candles as well. So we want to close these weekly candles at certain low levels, push the price down. That's why I was also saying that Bitcoin dropping down by what's like, you know, 7%, something like that, is, and altcoins going down by 10-20% is actually good for altcoins, because they reset all these weekly RSI indexes, right? And everything gets reset, it pulled back. That means that we have more room to grow next week. So I'm very excited for next week, but right now I just want to see where it is going to end. So it's very hard to tell what's going to happen. We can go into small time frames. Let's zoom into a little bit up here, small time frames, and right now we are below all of the moving averages, which is very bad. And but on the 1 hourly, just like everything else, we have started climbing. So on some coins it's already above the 10 and 20. Right over here it's cannot get out of the 20 moving average on 1 hourly, but it's this 4 hourly that's actually gonna tell the tale once we start getting enough of these 4 hourly candles. Because what this has to do for us to be bullish again is get above all the moving average. That means getting above 0.0084. Will that happen today, that happen tomorrow? I'm not quite sure, but this 10 moving average is gonna start going down, and at one point we have to get above the moving averages. If not, this 10 moving average will push us below it, and then we have to look for something like 200 moving average down here, or maybe on the 1 hourly. Where is it? Down here, all the way down here at the 50 moving average, wherever it ends up later. So there is certainly some kind of bearishness in the market right now that we might actually pull down, but the way I see it, all of the bearishness actually good for resetting the indicators, and then the next week we can pump next week. That seemed to me like a good thing. But technically we are not bullish, technically we are bearish, but also technically we can be bullish tomorrow, because we don't want to close below 10 and 20 moving average. Best case scenario right over here is if we could pump above the like 0.083 tonight and be outside of the wedge and use this as a retest on the wedge and stuff like that. But again, come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna do a new Bittorrent video, and we're gonna have so much information because there will be so many candles, and we're gonna know exactly what's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna be exactly what's gonna happen, but we probably will have a pretty good clue what's gonna happen. That said, subscribe to the channel, man. It's good for your health, good for my health, and like the video. Also down in the comments, Patreon. Check the Patreon and check the Telegram group. A lot of nice people there. Join the community. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.